Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Ainun Jaria and my friends Ririn Febrianival and Nurrahma. We are from ICP of Biology Education Group 2. This chance, we will do presentation about natural disasters. Chapter 1, Introduction. Background part. A phenomenon of human life that cannot be known with certainty when it occurs is called a disaster. Humans are only able to recognize early symptoms and predict their occurrence. The sophistication of technology created by humans is sometimes only able to explain the initial symptoms, so that the details of the disaster are only in human prediction. However, with the ability to recognize the early symptoms of disasters, humans can prepare themselves for disasters. This preparation includes preparation before a disaster occurs, when a disaster occurs, and after a disaster occurs. That is, the readiness carried out by humans can be done when they can recognize the initial symptoms, the level of risk, and so on. Landslides, earthquakes, cyclones, tsunami, floods, and landslides, volcanic eruption, drought, and tidal waves are natural disasters. Meanwhile, acts of terror, conflicts, industrial accidents, transportation accidents, and forest fires are disasters caused by human negligence. Disasters caused by nature and human negligence but cause harm to the environment and the economy. The National Disaster Management Agency classifies disaster losses into victims of death, missing, displaced, injured, suffering, damage to house, damage to health and school facilities, damage to roads, and damage to land. The territory of Indonesia is geologically located at the confluence of three active tectonic plates, namely the Indo-Australian plate in the southern part, the Eurasian plate to the north, and the Pacific plate to the east. The three plates collide and move. The Indo-Australian plate is moving northward and the plate. Problem formula. Formulation of the problem are: the first is, what is disaster? Second, what are the types of disasters? Third, what are the factors that influence the disasters? Four, what are the impacts of disaster? And the last, what are the stages of disaster management? And there is purpose. The first is to know the meaning of disaster and its types. Second, to determine the factors that influence a disasters. Third, to know the impact of disaster, and the last, to know the stage of disaster management. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Part A, Disaster. According to Ramlee 2010, disaster is an event or series of events that threaten and interfere with the lives and livelihoods of the community caused either by natural factors and or non-natural factors, as well as human factors, so the resulting in human casualties, environmental damage, loss of property, and psychological impact. According to Wiarto 2017, disaster is a natural event that has an impact on large for the human population. These events can be in the form of floods, earthquakes, volcanic eruption, landslides, and tsunamis.
And then type of disaster. According to Ramlee 2010, disasters are classified into three types as follows. The first is natural disaster. Disaster originating from natural phenomena such as volcanic eruption, fires, flood, global warming, landslide, earthquakes, and tsunami. The second is non-natural disaster. Disaster caused by non-natural event or series of event nature, which include failed technology, failed modernization, and epidemic disease. The third is social disaster, a disaster caused by an event or series of events caused by humans which include social conflict between groups or between communities and terror. And then factor affecting disaster. According to Nurjana et al. 2012 mention the factor that influence disaster are: the first is danger or hazard. A hazard is a natural or man-made phenomena that has potential to threaten human life, property loss, and damage environment. The second is vulnerability. Vulnerability is a condition of a society that causes inability to deal with threats. The factors that affecting vulnerability are as follow: physical vulnerability, social vulnerability, economic vulnerability, environmental vulnerability. The third is disaster risk. Disaster risk is the interaction between the level of regional vulnerability and existing threats. In general, the danger indicates the possibility disaster, both natural and non-natural. And the next is disaster impact. Natural disaster can have a devastating impact on economic, social, and environmental. Damage to infrastructure can be disruptive social activities. Impact in the social field include death, injury, illness, loss of housing, and community costs. While damage the environment can include the destruction of the forests that protect the land. One of natural disasters that have the greatest impact, such as earthquakes. Earth and mountain erupt within seconds and minutes. A large number of injuries, the mostly don't lead to death, require immediate medical assistance from health facilities that are often unprepared. Damage collapse due to earthquake. Humans are considered help in natural disaster, even since the dawn of civilization. Human powerlessness due to poor emergency management causes loss in the financial sector, structural and fatalities. The resulting loss depends on human capacity to prevent and avoid disaster and hold it, according to Wiarto, 2017.
The next is disaster management stage. According to Ramli, disaster management is a process planning activities carried out to manage disaster properly and safely through three stages as follows. 1. Pre-disaster. Stage of disaster management in prevent condition disaster include preparedness, early warning, and mitigation. 2. When a disaster occurs. In this stage, divided into the stage of emergency response and disaster management. And 3. Post-disaster. A disaster occurs and after the emergency response process is passed. Then, the next step is to carry out rehabilitation and reconstruction. Capture 3. Closing. The conclusion of this topic is natural disasters are disasters that originate from natural phenomena such as volcanic eruption, flood, global warming, landslide, earthquakes, and tsunamis. Natural disaster occurs almost throughout the year in various parts of the world, including in Indonesia. Type of disaster nature is very much, including the following: earthquake, tsunami, volcanic eruption, flood, and landslide. Natural disaster can have devastating impact on the economic, social, and environment. Damage to infrastructure can disrupt social activities. Impact in the field of social welfare includes death, injury, illness, loss of a home, and community disorder, while environmental damage can include the destruction of the forests that protect the land. And the last is suggestion.
It is better if the author lists the disasters that have been experienced by each as literature material or as a reference with this paper. It is hoped that it can be useful for readers as listeners will be able to manage risks that later if a disaster occurs.
So, from our group, thank you for your attention guys, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.